Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here, it's June and it is another Ipsy box slash Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy box for June, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let us see what we get in our Ipsy box, right? So this is the base box, so I'm only gonna have like a few items in there. So our first product is from El Maquillage. You know, I've always kind of wanting to try their foundation, but too many questions and I don't have patience for that. So it's the Color Boss Squad Workaholic. So it's like 4 eyeshadows, but man, this feels so like nice and hefty and solid. I love it. So it looks like so the colors are like but that mirror is so good. Like, look at this, and you can see, like, look at all this mess I have here. These are all my brushes, let's ignore that, but this is so pretty. Like, yeah, I like this. I like the component. It's so heavy and lush, but the eyeshadows. Our other products we have is from Gold Faden MD, and it is a solution pure gentle. It's a detoxifying facial cleanser with protein, a daily multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, remove dead skin, excess oil and makeup in one simple step. So see, I can't really like test this out, but let's smell it. Don't really smell like anything much. So that's our second product. Our third product is from More Beauty, and it is the Flawless Coverage. So it just like sponges. If I can open this, maybe not. Kind of looks like so. It feels good though. Kind of. I like the ones that like kind of shaped like this. So yeah, we'll see. So these are 2 sponges from More Beauty, and then so that's 3, right? Yeah, the cleanser. Our other product. Oops, sorry about that. That wasn't my intention. It's from Dirty Lamb, and it is an apricot cleansing oil. Oh my god, I love cleansing oils, like, ooh, but I do not like the smell. Ew. We'll see. But I like oils to like take off, like, you know, so I'll take off my makeup and then I'll use an oil or a balm, but those are my favorite. So last but not least, we have our final product, and guess what? We have a huge eyeshadow palette. Man, this is amazing, right? So I had 5 products in my box because that's the base box. I had 1, 2, 3 makeup item and then 2 like skincare, which I like that math. I prefer it when it's more makeup based, you know, because I'm a makeup girly, right? So yes. Oh, so this is pretty. So these are the shades. So this is from Violet Voss, and it is the Sakura Blossom, and it's 18 color eyeshadow and press pigment palette. So these are the shades kind of on the back. So on the back they look really light, but they're a little bit darker. Oops, they're a little bit darker like in there. So I don't know. Let's start with a look real quick. So I'm gonna go in with Season, and I'm gonna put that in my outer V, like right here. I feel like Violet Voss, her foundation is like kind of like hit and not her foundation. I was like, these are like kind of a hit and miss for me. Some of them are like really, really good, and some of them I feel like they, you know, they don't blend like. So it's definitely, you know, or hits on this. So this is an R37. I don't know. Let's go to delicates and see if I can like blend this out a bit. Like, and then I'm gonna go back to this shade right here and just kind of blend this. Oops. Now back to that brush. And guys, don't be scared. Don't be scared that you have to like go in and go in and go in. Look at this blend. So pretty. I think I'm gonna put Tokyo in my inner corner. Let's put some Tokyo. I need a little bit of glitter glue. I need to buy some more glitter glue. And then I'm just gonna put it at the tip of my finger and just go in right here. Like so. You could almost just leave this like this if you're just going for like a real simple look. I mean, not like this look is crazy, not simple, but I feel like I've done like a lot of pink looks recently. I didn't really want to do a pink look, so we're just gonna do a maybe we'll do a bold lip with that colorful shirt I have on. But, so this is from Nars, and which brush is this? Number 49 brush, and we're gonna go into Tokyo, and we're gonna put this like right here. So, I think I need to blend this. I'm trying to get a small brush. This is an M518, and I'm gonna go into Sweet and just blend this a little bit, maybe like right here. Actually, I'm using Fairy Tale, and I'm just gonna just blend everything nicely. I think Sweet was a little bit too pinky, so we're just gonna go into Fairy Tale. And then back into that Season. I feel like I lost some of Season right here. Okay, so this is cute. After I use a billion brushes, so we're gonna attempt a wing on camera. I usually don't do my wing on camera because they take forever. This is actually Better Than Sex. It's from Too Faced. Let's start my first line. Okay, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through the Boxycharm / Ipsy prices. So they don't put the prices like there anymore. So what I do is like when I pause my video, I go find the prices and then write them down after I open the box and see the products, because it is too much. So our first products we have is from El Maquillage, and that is that quad foreshadow. I didn't use it today because I used the Violet Voss one, and this is $48, so $12 a shadow. That's kind of pricey. And then the Violet Voss one has 18 shades, and they actually perform really good. It's not, the shades are not crazy, but 18 shades, and that's $42. Our next product is from Dirty Lamb, and it is that cleanser. I did not use a cleanser, so I don't know how it works, if it's gonna work. That is also $42. And let us jump into the sponges. I did not use the sponges at all because for me it's like a little bit difficult for me to use the sponge because where I record I'm not close to the sink and then I need to wet it, so I'd have to wet it like prior, which means I'd have to open the box prior, so I did not use it because I don't like to use the sponges when they're wet, dry, sorry. I like them when they're wet, so yeah, so that did not happen. So the sponges are $18, so $9 a sponge, which is like pretty reasonable. And then last but not least, we have the golden fading, which is, this is also a cleanser, but it is, no, that was a cleanser, and then the dirty lamb was like a cleansing oil. So they're both cleansers, but one was an oil and one just like a detoxifying cleanser, and that was $38. So I got 5 items. So it was $188. I paid $30 plus tax, so $30 to $46 for that box. So it wasn't crazy. This time around I did get 3 makeup products and 2 like beauty products or skincare. So yeah, so it was kind of a little balance. The eyeshadow works really well. I did not use the sponge and I didn't use the, but I'm not sure why I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. Who knows. But yeah, so that's it guys for this June unboxing. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.